Embark on an extraordinary journey, a deep dive into the essence of your very soul. In the relentless pace of modern existence, where each tick of the clock brings a barrage of tasks, emails, and digital pings, there lies an urgent need for stillness, for a sanctuary untouched by the external world's chaos. This adventure is not just about escaping the noise, but about discovering a profound silence that has always dwelled within, patiently waiting. Meditation, an age-old practice, offers this escape, promising not just fleeting moments of tranquility, but a lasting transformation of your entire being. It invites us to explore a space where peace reigns supreme, even amidst life's fiercest tempests. Today, we begin a voyage into the heart of meditation, uncovering its ability to heal, to connect, and to awaken. In the ceaseless whirlwind of our daily lives, amidst the unending storm of thoughts and distractions, there lies a hidden, peaceful sanctuary. This sanctuary, often forgotten, waits silently within us, inviting us to pause, breathe, and visit. Today, we embark on a profound journey to explore the transformative power of meditation, a path that leads us to rediscover the quietude amidst the chaos, to find solace in stillness, and to awaken to the beauty of the present moment. Imagine, if you will, standing in the very eye of a hurricane. Around you, the world is a fury of wind and rain, a tempest of life's relentless demands and worries. Yet here in the center, there is calm, an untouched peace. This is the essence of meditation. It's not an escape from the storms of life, but an intimate finding of peace within them. But why embark on this journey? Why meditate? Let's delve deeply into the heart of this ancient practice, unearthing its profound and multifaceted benefits. Meditation is not merely a practice but a transformation, a key to unlocking the doors to our deepest selves, to healing, to understanding. Meditation nurtures the mind, soothing the jagged edges of our thoughts. It heals the body, easing the tensions that we carry like heavy cloaks. It frees the soul, allowing us to soar beyond the confines of our everyday concerns. This practice teaches us to observe without judgment, to listen without distraction, and to be truly present in each unfolding moment. In a world saturated with stress, where anxiety shadows our steps, and where the pace of life seems ever to quicken, meditation emerges as a beacon of relief and tranquility. It lowers blood pressure, reduces anxiety, and enhances our overall well-being, casting a light of calm over the shadows of our minds. Yet the gifts of meditation extend far beyond the physical realm. Through meditation, we forge deeper connections with ourselves, with others, and with the world around us. It opens the door to empathy, compassion, and understanding, guiding us to cultivate lives rich with meaningful relationships and interconnectedness. In the silence of meditation, we find a common language, one that speaks of shared humanity and universal truths. And what of the journey? It begins with a single breath, a breath that leads us to stillness, to clarity, and ultimately to profound insight. Meditation isn't about becoming a different person. It's about becoming more fully ourselves, stripped of the layers of noise and distraction that cloud our true essence. As we continue to explore, let us consider the myriad forms that meditation can take. From the focused attention of mindfulness to the transcendent journey of transcendental meditation, from the loving kindness of metta to the dynamic movement of walking meditation, this ancient practice offers a myriad of pathways to peace. Each form invites us to explore different facets of our being, offering unique insights and benefits. Consider the stories of those who have walked this path before us. From the busy executive finding clarity and purpose in the silent moments before dawn, to the artist channeling newfound creativity from depths previously unknown, to the caregiver finding strength and patience in the midst of challenge. These are but a few of the countless lives transformed by the practice of meditation. As the sun sets on our exploration, let us remember that the sanctuary of peace is always within our reach. Meditation isn't a destination, but a path, a practice, and a profound way of life. It invites us to slow down, to savor each moment, and to live our lives with intention and grace. Embark on this journey within, discover the power of meditation, and allow it to transform your life, one breath at a time. Let meditation be your guide to a life of depth, meaning, and joy. Allow it to open your eyes to the beauty of the present, to the richness of simple moments, and to the profound peace that lies within silence. As we conclude, reflect on the words of ancient wisdom that remind us. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let your first step be one of curiosity and openness, and let each step that follows be guided by the breath, by the heart, and by the silent, peaceful sanctuary that resides within you. Remember, this journey is yours to take, unique in its unfolding, rich with its discoveries, and boundless in its potential. Meditation offers a path to rediscover ourselves, to reconnect with the world, and to reawaken to the beauty of life. So take that first breath with intention, step onto the path with courage, and let your heart be open to the transformative power of meditation. Discover the peace that lies within, the joy that awaits in each moment, and the profound connections that bind us all. Let meditation be your. As we gently conclude our journey today, we stand at the threshold of a new beginning, a path that winds deep into the heart's quiet and stretches out towards the horizon of our interconnected lives. The essence of meditation, as we journey together to discover, transcends mere practice. It is a homecoming to our true selves, a bridge to the profound connections that unite us, and an open door to the sacredness of the present moment. This journey is far from over. It's an invitation that renews with every sunrise, urging us to embrace each day with a heart full of mindfulness, compassion, and boundless curiosity. We thank you for walking this path with us, for sharing in this exploration of inner peace and outer harmony. May the insights gleaned here light your way through the complexities of life. Until our paths cross again, continue to seek, to breathe deeply, and to live with a profound sense of presence. Farewell, fellow travelers, and may your journey be rich with peace and discovery.